Hey guys, I'm Trent Brigner. I'm the Director of Sales over the fifth wheels at Heartland RV. Today I'm going to go through our quick tour of our 40DB. Notice in the front we'll have our Helix pin box. That's going to be paired with our road armor suspension. We'll have dual awnings going down the side. You'll have hydraulic auto level. Now on the 40DB and all the Bighorn floor plans, you'll have 90 pounds of propane. That's going to be standard. Our Halo griddle set up with the gas safety switch on this side, so you can't put this away without cutting off the gas. Another nice safety feature. You have a JBL audio system on the interior and the exterior with the central vac. Another nice thing too, these are the step above Moride steps. These are going to be strut assisted, so easy bring down, easy put up steps. You'll also have the safety rail to pair with this, so it's going to be an easy entry and exit of the coach. Moving down to the side, we're going to have 17.5 16 ply H-rated tires. Again, that's going to be paired with the road armor suspension. We also do have the Dexter tow assist and anti-lock brakes and sway mitigation system. That's going to be standard on all of the Bighorns. You'll notice that we have frameless square windows on the outside with two massive awnings. And then coming into the back of the coach. Now this being a double suite, you'll have two entries to this. These steps are also strut assisted, so easy setup, easy tear down. You also have an elongated handle, so you don't have to reach up and get it with an extra long grab handle and a ladder. That's all gonna be standard on the outside. Let's go check on the inside. So now we're in the inside of the Bighorn 40DB. Now this is a double suite floor plan, so you'll have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The first set's up front, the second set's in the back of the coach. Right now we're in the kitchen. This is gonna be your coffee nook with tons of storage. So you have overhead storage, below storage with wine storage as well. You'll have your pantry. Now one of the cool things in the kitchen, solid surface countertops throughout. You'll have your smart sink, all residential GE appliances, all matching set. We have dovetail drawers in all of our coaches. You have an additional cutting board in here. This is removable so you can wash it. You can also cut up your fruits and vegetables, and you can put it and slide it into your trash can. Now moving to the back where the entertainment system is, you'll have a JBL sound system. So you have 2 of them. You'll have a sound bar and a subwoofer on the inside, and you'll have 2 speakers on the outside, 2 separate complete systems. You'll have your televator with your fireplace, and directionally across from that is going to be the Stacy Stewart theater seating. So with this seating, it's electric. You can put the seats up and down with a press of a button. Heat, massage on these. You also have lumbar. You'll also notice that you have 110 outlets with USB charging ports and cup holders on this. Now, with this being a double suite, you're also gonna get a loft with this. So sleeping is huge in these. You can get 2 in the front, 2 back. You can also get 3 to 4 up front, depending on the sizes of the kids or adults. So tons of sleeping in this unit. Now going into the back of the coach, you'll get a queen size bed, and what you'll notice when you come down here, it's a drop frame, so you're gaining the head height in the rear of the coach. You'll also have an entertainment system, dual wardrobe storage, and you also have his and hers closets as well as drawers, and you also have deep pocket drawers in here as well. There's the nice dovetail drawers that we do in-house. Now moving to the back of the coach, like I said, with this being a double suite, 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, this is gonna be the full bathroom back here. The cool thing back here is we have a tub back here, so if you have kids, dogs, pets, anything that needs washed off in a tub, you'll have that in your second bathroom in the back. Porcelain toilets, and then you also have solid surface countertops with a medicine cabinet in here. This is our 40DB Bighorn. For more information on this unit, check us out at www.heartlandrvs.com.